Welcome to Karen Brown's World of Travel. We would like to share with you one of our recommended hotels in the Pacific Northwest, Colette's in Port Angeles, Washington. Colette's is easily our top pick of the hotels in the Port Angeles area. From the moment you walk into this exquisite inn, you'll stop breathing until you're reminded to exhale. You enter a gorgeous sitting room with a 40-foot wall of windows overlooking a wide expanse of lawn, garden, and the vast strait of Juan de Fuca. Outside on the stone patio, Adirondack chairs encircle an outdoor fireplace. Each guest room is remarkable. As intimate as they are elegant, as luxurious as they are subtle, all the rooms will thrill you. Each room comes with a superb view, a king-size feather bed, and gas fireplace. A gourmet breakfast is served with a view at two large formal tables. From anywhere on the property, inside or out, enjoy spectacular sunsets that bring on the lights of Victoria from across the strait. Travel your dreams with Karen Brown.